Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today we are going to be unboxing Frankie, the French Bulldog. What is this guy's name? Tex the T-Rex and Leoni the Leopard. Okay. We just got the box in and my daughter wants her stuff back. So I have to make this video so I can give her stuff. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So I think the first thing we're going to open are the buddy clips. And these are so stinking cute. She already showed them to me. So I'm not going to pretend to be surprised. I've already seen them. And I made her give them back to me so I can make a video and show you guys. But she's anxiously waiting in the hallway for her stuff. So let's get into it. This one is Tex the T-Rex. And he is pre-scented with Tropic Tango. Now, I have not smelled him. So... oh my God, he's really cute, okay? He's really cute. Look at the teeth on that guy. He is so stinking cute. Look at his his tail. He's absolutely adorable. Now, buddy clips are perfect for backpacks, diaper bags, etc. Strollers to keep them occupied in their car seat. But how stinking cute. And the Tropic Tango is amazing. I can hear her out there talking about it. She wants her stuff back. So he's really cute. What a cute gift. Now also think Christmas stocking stuffer. Perfect stocking stuffer. Okay. So that is him. I'm going to put him back in his cage, so that I can give him back to my daughter Taylor in just a moment. All right. She's being very patient. Now I can't get it to close. I didn't put him in there good. All right. The next one is Leoni the Leopard, and she is scented with Amazon Rain. And so let's go ahead and open her. Like I said, I saw her, but I didn't get a chance to smell her. She is so stinking cute. Oh. Ooh, have we had an Amazon Rain before in a buddy clip? I don't remember. But she smells amazing. Okay, she's really cute. I like her. Okay, so that's her. The next thing, I didn't get to go to Scentsy Family Reunion, our annual convention. I didn't get to go this year, so... as soon as this product was announced, like everybody sent me pictures of it because it is Frankie, the French Bulldog, Frankie. And I have one Frenchie and my daughter has another Frenchie, but they're always here playing it together. So I'm a grandma to a Frenchie and a mom to a Frenchie. So as soon as this popped up, everybody was like, Vic, you gotta see this. So I was excited to get this. I'm probably going to buy myself one as well. But this one's definitely hers. So let's go ahead and unbox him. He's so stinking cute. Oh, he's soft too. I haven't really gotten a chance to like see him. He's really soft. So that is Frankie the Frenchie. And if you've never purchased a Scentsy Buddy before, they also come with a scent pack of your choice. And she chose apple cherry strudel, which I love. And where this little scent sachet goes, they're all different, but this one is in his back. They're usually in the back. So you just stick this in there. It's supposed to last like 3 months, but for me, scent packs last longer than that. But they say 3 months. but you can buy additional scent packs as well. So then you just zip it up. Hold on. I'm not used to having nails. Okay. So now he's all zipped up. His scent pack's in there. And now he's a scented plush. And he's so stinking cute. She was excited to get him. She's been asking me every day when he's coming. Because as soon as she saw the catalog, she had to have him. Look at the jowls. And the jowls of a Frenchie are some of my favorite things. Like when my dog Dakota, like when I'm laying down and he's sitting over me, you just see the jowls hanging down. And I'm always like grabbing his jowls because they're so cute. And I'm glad that they nailed it with that. And the ears, the Frenchie ears, so stinking cute. And he should have Scentsy on one of his feet and his little Scentsy patch. Super cute. So this is a Scentsy buddy and you need one of these. I hope you're having a great day and I'll talk to you later. Bye.